What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Lifestyle by Jason Derulo. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else your mom's a hoe. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright guys, this song is in standard tuning, and if you need the guitar tab, you can find that in the video description, as well as the guitar chord diagrams. You can find those in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. I'm going to start by showing you the verse riff, and then I'll show you the chords for the chorus. Verse riff is going to be here. And that just repeats, so we're starting 6th fret on the low E, 4th fret on the A, 6, 4th fret on the A, 3rd fret on the, 4th fret on the E, 3rd fret on the A, and then you're going twice on the low E, 4 on A, 6 on E, 4 on E, 3 on A, 6 on A, back to a 3 on A. And what I'm doing there is I'm palm muting, so I'm putting the fleshy part of my hand on the bridge of the guitar. So it gives you that kind of punchy muted sound. So all together slowly, the riff is. And that just repeats for the verse. After you learn the verse, all you need is a chorus. This is just going to be some chords that you're strumming through. You'll need a G flat major, which is going to be bar the entire 2nd fret with your index finger, ring finger on the 4th fret of the A, pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D, middle finger on the 3rd fret of the G. Then you're going to slide that formation up 2 frets to where you're on the 4th fret. This is going to be an A flat major. Same as formation here. You're just sliding it up 2 frets. And then a B flat major. So you're going to be the same formation as both of these chords. You're just sliding it up 2 more frets and then taking your middle finger off. So sorry, B flat minor. So. And then you will need F major, same exact formation, you're just moving it down 1 fret to the 1st fret. Once you get the chords down, you just need your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So that's 2 down strums. Mute for down, up, 1 down strum. 1 muted down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. So on the very last, you play that 4 times. On the very last one, you go to that F major instead of the B flat minor.
There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.